hope that you are doing well. And yeah, we've got so many emails and so many messages in our social media, Instagram, and like emails asking, the rumors regarding to the visa on arrival policy about the tourist visa. And then the Bali opening of the tourism. Well, in the news, I see that Mr. Governor and then the Minister of Tourism nowadays, they are really take the firm action, menindak tegas about the quarantine hotel mafia and also visa mafia. So they menindak tegas or they take firm action regarding to this issue. Currently the situation, if you plan to come to Indonesia, plan to come to Bali as for the tourism, you can apply B211A tourism visa through the visa agent. That's based on the rule in immigration. Is that from one agent to another agent will charge different, starting from $200 until $400. So because of this situation, make the governor of Bali ask the central of the government to make the VOA or visa on arrival back. I read from one source, right? It's about the result of the Governor Bali decision regarding to the governor's evaluation meeting of foreign travel actors PPLN through Ngurah Rai Airport, International Airport. So I will put later on. This is the screenshot that I read about the result of the Bali decision, yeah, and then signed by the governor. And it says that this is what I should mention, that the governor of Bali now is still trying. We have to take note that this is not the new rule from the immigration yet, but this is the decision is still the government is trying to propose to the central of the governor. Okay guys, this is what we have to take a note, yeah. The government of Bali is still trying to make a proposal to the central governor in Jakarta. So we have to take note that this decision is not the new rule from the immigration. So as you know that the rule to come to Bali or Indonesia nowadays is through B211A tourist visa that you can apply for the agent. But still the government of Bali still, discussing with the Minister of Tourism in Jakarta, and then still discussing with the central of government in Jakarta about a visa on arrival. And I got that paper. I will show you in the screen. So this one written in Indonesia. In Bahasa Indonesia, I will try to translate it, what is it meant in English. This letter is about the Governor of Bali decision of the governance evaluation meeting of the foreign travel actors PPLN through Ngurah Rai Airport. The meeting chaired directly by the governor of Bali and was held on Saturday, 26th of February. Who attend this meeting? The head of the Bali Provincial Tourism Office, head of Bali Provincial Transportation Service, head of Bali Province BPBD Executive, head of Bali Provincial Health Office of Bali, and then PHRI Bali, head of Airport Authority, and so on. In this decision later, it says that Bali pays attention and seriously considers the following matter. First, the development of daily COVID-19 cases in the province of Bali, which is getting better, which is marked by the consistently decreasing number of the new number 19 cases and increasing recovery, decreased mortality, decreased positive rate, and improved quality of health services. Second one, the vaccination achievement in Bali province, which is already very high. And next, the level of compliance of the Balinese people in the implementing health protocols is also very high. And then the increasing passion and demand for potential foreign tourists to Bali, increasing demand for direct international flight slot to Bali, acceleration of tourism and economic recovery in Bali. So guys, based on the consideration above, the meeting decided first, facilitate or accelerate services for the PPLN at Igusti Ngurah Rai. PPLN means like for the foreign travel actors in Igusti Ngurah Rai. And then by ensuring the fulfillment of pre-flight documents at the airport, including first, filling out Peduli Lindungi application, second, vaccine certificate document and PCR test negative. Next, the eco form of the booking hotel quarantine package. Booking hotel quarantine package, complete immigration document, travel insurance covering the COVID-19 cases, fulfillment of the free flight documents to be widely communicated, socialized to the travel bureau airlines, and then the placement, monitoring of security officers in a certain post, close nature and friendly arrival. And then the provision of the land transportation vehicle is prepared by the hotels according to the needs by the implementing prokes and strictly monitoring the fleet. Hotel parties can cooperate also with the tourism transportation company. Land transportation vehicle not use escort from the airport to the place of stay. Number 5, quarantine hotel employees, airport service, ground vehicles, crews involved in the bubble system are required to carry out a PCR test at least one time in 7 days. And quarantine hotels are obliged to prepare isolation room for guests who are positive and asymptomatic. And then the governor of Bali is fighting hard. So we have to take a note, guys. This statement, like the governor of Bali is fighting hard for the central government so that the aspiration of the tourism component regarding the requirement for the arrival of overseas travelers are given policies that are more friendly and competitive toward tourists, namely without quarantine, second, visa on arrival, third, the tourist visit visa with the following option. The first option, 30-day visit visa with the cost $25 per person. Second, 60-day visit visa at cost $50 per person with an additional visa approval fee for 200,000 rupiah per person. And adding that more quarantine hotels that have met the requirements, and then joint commitment to the Bali provincial government and related parties in the managing the COVID-19 pandemic as the best possible and full of responsibility, accompanied by this one. So this is the letter from, this is the surat keputusan rapat, ya, keputusan rapat evaluasi. So the letter of the decision that governor of Bali make with the representative of the tourism department, health department, and whatsoever. So we have to take note that this is not the new rule from immigration yet, but this is still the proposal that made by the governor to the central government in Jakarta. Guys, we have to take note again that all the policy makers are basically based in Jakarta. As we know that the Indonesian government system is basically top to bottom system. It means that all the policy making processes is in Jakarta. So it means that we have to wait until the VOA policies will be implemented. But finger crossed, we hope all will be published soon. So all of you guys can travel to Bali with visa on arrival. So maybe for those of you who have been asking us regarding to the VOA policy, yes, there are so many rumors about that, but we have to take a note that that is the Mr. Koster or Mr. Governor planning, and then still under the proposal to the government in Jakarta. Our video today regarding to answering the question yeah, about visa on arrival, the price of visa, tourist visa. But currently, yeah, you can come to Bali. Bali actually is already open for international tourism. If you wanna come, you have to apply visa in a in the visa agent or travel agent, something like that. And then, yeah, the price of the visa range from $200 until $400. So again, finger crossed, we do hope that VOA, visa on arrival, will be back again, so you guys can come to Bali. Okay, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!